Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to optimize the use of your tokens in Cloud. This is fairly simple. In this case, for example, we'll talk about one way to optimize them by having more specific prompts. For example, in this case, I have a prompt to create code for a tic-tac-toe game, but the problem is that we are not specifying exactly what we want. As you can see, it simply says to make the game, but it doesn't give specific details, only general ones. We don't tell it how we want it, which language you should be in, or anything like that. Therefore, I recommend being a bit more specific about what you want, how you want it, or even what you don't want. The number 2 is avoiding repeated requests, because for instance, if we make a general request and don't like it, or want it in a different programming language, we'll have to send it again and ask for something else. This results in using more tokens in Cloud. And as you know, Claude Code for progressions has weekly usage limits or hourly limits, among others. The number 3 is avoiding exhaustive plans. Another way to save tokens is when asking for a coding plan or a project outline, don't make the plan too exhaustive. If you ask it to explain step by step how to do every little thing, it will require more work and consequently use many tokens. The number 4 is limit files and image. I recommend not sending too many image, files, or photos for Claude to analyze. Analyzing files and image, among other things, leads to higher tokens consumptions. Another thing, if you make a mistake in a line of code, don't immediately ask Claude Code to fix it. This will cause Claude to use many tokens just for a single line of code, which is not a great idea since those tokens could be used for another task. Furthermore, I recommend avoiding those comments. If you ask it to comment on or explain what each line does, Claude will spend tokens on those explanations. And well, these are some of the many tips I can give you to optimize your Claude tokens. If you want to share some tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in the next one.